boys and girls. So happy New Year. Welcome back. We're going to talk about mastering math facts today. So MMF is what I'm going to call them. So every day at the beginning of math class, we're going to be doing a mastering math facts. And that's this booklet that we talked about the last week in December. Looks like this. You got it in your last pickup, and I asked you to put it in your black math folder. Okay, so every day you're going to need this sheet, the rocket ship sheet. Whoops, upside down, rocket ship sheet. You're going to need this sheet, and then you're going to need one of these little ones. Okay, now on the first day, everybody's going to start with A. So what you can do is you can cut out A. And we're going to do that together in class. So I'll ask you to get your scissors. I'll ask you to cut around the gray line. See that? And you're going to cut out A. Okay. Now, oopsies. And A looks like this. It's a teeny tiny little mastering math facts. Now, A is just adding to 0, and today in class we talked about how to add 0 to any number and what strategies we can use to do that. Now, starting tomorrow, you're going to actually do A. So, coming to tomorrow's math class, that's the second learning block, you're going to make sure you have this cut out and you're going to have it with you. Do not do it yet. Okay? Now, when we start every math class, I'm going to say, grab your Mastering Math Facts sheet. Everybody's starting with A tomorrow, but it may change because some people might move up, some people need more practice. So we'll depend on how you did on the last one. So everybody's going to grab it. We're going to put it down on our desk, and we're going to look at it and not write down. We're going to look at it and read the questions over in our head or out loud. So I would say 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. See how I'm not writing anything down? So as soon as I say take out your Mastering Math Facts sheet, that's how you're practicing. You take it out, you put it down on your table, and you look at the questions and you read the question and the answer to get your brain ready to write them down. Okay? Then I'll say, okay, grab your pencil. So then you'll grab your pencil and I'll say, on your marks, get set, go. And then you'll go through and you'll answer the questions as fast as you can. Okay? Make sure that you're printing neatly, because if you can't tell what your number is, it's wrong. And if you're not thinking through what the right answer is, then you're going to get the wrong answer. So you do want to go quickly, but you don't want to do it all wrong really fast. It's better to take your time and make sure you're doing it right. You're going to be writing all the answers down. If you finish, you just put your pencil down. You can flip it over and draw a picture on the back while you're waiting, or you can just wait in smiley ready position. If you don't finish and I say, okay, pencils down, then you'll put your pencil down. Even if you only got those ones done, but you didn't finish the rest, that's okay. Okay? So once we finish that, then you're just going to put it aside, because then later on during independent work time, mom and dad are going to mark this for you. Okay, so they're going to take this, they're going to take a pen or whatever they've got, and they're going to mark it. If you get it all right, so you answered all the questions and you got all the questions right, you take your rocket ship and you color in the letter of the list that you got all right, just like with our sight words, okay? And then because you've colored in A, you've mastered A. So once you color in A, you're gonna go to your chart and you're gonna cut out B, and that's the one you're gonna use next day, okay? Now, if you didn't get them all right, let's say we missed the bottom one and the top one, so we got a couple wrong. You are not going to color in the sheet yet, because you only color in the rocket ship when you get them all right. But what you are going to do is practice the ones you got wrong. So how can you practice your basic facts? You can make flashcards. So maybe if you have little Post-it notes or you have little cards, you can write the question on the front and the answer on the back, and you can practice those. You can say them out loud to yourself. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. You can write them down a bunch of times on something like a whiteboard. So 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. You're just trying to practice them, okay? So you're going to practice the ones you got wrong, and then you're going to come back to your sheet, and you'll have to go to your second sheet, and you're going to cut out A again. Okay, so the only time that you move on to the next letter is if you get them all right. If you get it even just one wrong or all of them wrong, you're going to cut out the same letter, and that's the one you're going to do next time. So you're going to bring that one to next class. Make sense?